Happy birthday, Tita Ann.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Na happy birthday, Mommy Ann.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko. Sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong andyan ka na, di magmamadali ko lang ang katabi. Hanggang saan ko kay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong. Dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Iyamin ko na kahit sa'yo. Kung anong kulay ang aking nagsisilbig tanglaw.
Okay, to the most generous and to the most gorgeous and to the most amazing woman, Te Ann Lachel, happy birthday, Te. Wishing you all the day filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness that you bring to others. May this year bring you as much as love, joy, and warmth as you've given to us. Okay, make this day truly a wonderful day to you, Te Ann. Happy birthday, Te. Nasiyayan, Te, oh.
Happy birthday, Te.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Ann. Salamat sa mga ayuda nga sige ni mong ginatag ka na ko. Ginoo ra gyud ang mapalos. Love you, Ann.
Hello, Auntie Ann! Happy birthday! You're getting younger na. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with joy. May you continue to stay younger at heart, full of energy, and in a great health for many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day. See you soon, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ann. I wish you a great and happy birthday, and may God bless you. Happy birthday, Auntie Ann. I wish you a happy birthday and stay healthy. God bless.
Hi, Mommy Ann. I wish you happiness on your birthday, and I hope that your special day is filled with wonderful surprise and love. Happy birthday, Mommy Ann.
God bless you more.
Enjoy.
Hi, Ate Ann. Happy birthday. I hope so many more birthdays to come. And thank you for always helping my family, especially to Lance. And may God continue bless you and good health, happiness, and success. Again, happy birthday, Tate. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Mom. Amping. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann. I feel really happy and grateful that you are our aunt. Thank you so much for always being generous and showering us with your unconditional love. My only wish for you is to be happy and healthy always. Health should always be your number one priority. Please don't forget to take care of yourself and have your well-deserved rest. Hope you enjoy your special day and sending warm hugs to you, Auntie. May God bless you more. Love you.
Oh, happy birthday, Auntie Ann. I hope you are going to have a good day. May God bless you with a good health. And I wish you more birthdays to come. So, I will not prolong this video. So, I'm just going to give you a short message. So thankful lang dito ko sa imo, Auntie Ann, na ginasuportaan jud ko nimo sa
financially. Sa unsa pa diya mga miscellaneous, and I'm very thankful jud, and it means a lot. So that's all I can say. Thank you jud Auntie Ann, and I wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Mommy Ann, happy birthday. Thank you for always supporting and helping us in times of need. I appreciate you. I wish you happiness, good health, and a long, fulfilling life. I love you. Bye. Happy birthday.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ano ito karoon, maliliit ta. Pero ito mga laya nga dahon. Malula mo, basta sa palibot, ang laya nga dahon. Silhigan yung dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit sa Amerika, ang mga laya nga dahon, di man silhigan. Kasagdaan man lang. Halaan, manilihig ta. Ay, nakahinumdum ko. Birthday di ay Ma'am Ann Lachel. Happy birthday Ma'am Ann. Nahinaot ako nga sa imuhang pagpadayong pagpanginabuhi. Ikaw hatagan ug buligan ug maayong panglawas. Kabalunak ka ang lawas sa puhunan. Usa pag-amping. Pero kay birthday baya Ma'am Ann. Ahamang taani karon. Gutom baya po igmo palihig no. Catching! Happy birthday!
Hello Ate Ann, happy birthday! I wish you had many more birthdays to come, good health, and thank you for everything.
Happy birthday po Mami Ann. Wish you have a long life and good health always. Enjoy your day. We love you po.
Birthday po Mami Ann. Wish ko po sa inyo mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. At huwag niyo pong papabayaan sarili niyo. Salamat po sa lahat. I love you po. Mahal ka po namin. Happy birthday po ulit.
To my fabulous, luxurious, very generous and kind auntie. I know you're one of the kindest people in the world, and everything you do is to help others, especially our family. When I needed you most, you came through. I know that you have a wonderful heart and more generous than we deserve. You expect nothing in return, and yet you give so generously. It is truly remarkable and only proves what a wonderful person you are. I won't ever forget your generosity o kamaayo ni mo na tao sa ni Papa. I am so blessed to have you as a part of the family, especially auntie nako. Thank you for being the best auntie ever. Thank you for always being a positive influence in my life. Your advice and support are greatly appreciated. Salamat kaayo for always making me feel the love, valued, and appreciated. I wish you a fantastic year that is full of endless blessings, love, good health, and happiness. You're a special person who deserves all of that. Happy birthday to my pretty auntie. We love you. Hi, Tita Sheena, Tita Pearl, Tita Jeanette, and Ate Laika, and Auntie Beth. Enjoy your vacation. Na happy birthday, Mommy Ann. I love you. Say, I love you. Okay, Frankies.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann. On your special day, I just want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude. Charot, nagbisaya na lang ko. So, ang ako lang gusto ngayon is, thank you kayo. You are such really a blessing to our family. Whenever when we are in need, you are always there. Kanang masking naa ka sa gawas nagtrabaho, kana na paghigugma, lahi jud kaayo ang imong pagkabuutan kay kana pa lang truly admirable jud kaayo. Ang gusto lang na ko maingon is kanang kung tahatagan ka sa Ginoo o kaning maayong kalawasan, and I think kana lang akong maingon. May this year bring you joy and good health and all the happiness you deserve, of course. We are always here for you as you have been always there for us. So enjoy your day and know that you are deeply loved and appreciated. So once again, happy birthday, Tita Ann.
Hi Tian, wishing you a happy birthday all the way from Cebu. No? Hope you stay happy. I hope you are happy in your birthday and wishing that you would stay humble, kind, and fun as always. Kabalo na ka nate. And hope to see you soon. Poon kita-kita ta. Bye-bye, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann. Happy birthday and hoping for your wonderful celebration and hoping you have a good health and joy. And once again, happy birthday, Mo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Kasan! Happy more birthdays to
Pindot!
come.
Pindot!
Happy birthday, Ann! Sister, I love you!
Oh, pindot ah! Mana?
God bless you!
Nang kasi nga gwapa, patangon, liwat nako. Kay mga feeling gwapa, bagi may kaliwata. Happy birthday! Hinaot nga tagaan pagkagdaghang katuigan sa Ginoo. Kay sa imong pagkatanging ina, tanging nga sister, tanging kasin o tanging kaibigan, palangga kayo ka sa kahitasan. Og tagaan kag maayong panglabas kanunay sa kahitasan. Kay tungkol sa imong pagka-generous, pagka-matinabangon, dili lang sa imong pamilya o sa imong mga kaila. Inaot unta sa atong reunion, makauli ka diri sa Pilipinas para mas vega ba yung naa ka, no? Kay kita magkasinabot ba yung tanduha. Perfect! Happy birthday! I love you, Ann!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Wait, make a wish, make a wish.
No, it sounded like Nirvana.
Yay!